Hello and welcome back to Heritage Builders. We're back at the project in Marble Falls. This house is the Ailey. If you've tuned in lately, you've seen our spray foam videos from the interior of the house. The exterior rear is nearly complete. And we have stucco. The stucco crews are on their way. We have rock crews on their way. And we are installing the septic system. So I wanted to give you a look and show you what we have to do to set the septic tank. We have Georgetown Septic. Carlos, he's our operator. He takes care of all the installations. As you can see, he's doing all of his measuring. See that he's got the hole sized properly. So the septic tank starts here. This is going to be an aerobic system. Tank starts there, and the actual septic field, we're going to take it way back to the back of the lot back there. So once again, thanks for tuning in to Heritage Builders.